Some time ago, I shared a poll on our community tab and asked, what do you think YouTube pay for a video with 200,000 views on this channel? Many of you voted for $500 and you guys had some interesting comments on that poll. First, Ruth or Hams commented that many factors must be considered before giving a figure. Most important is the view duration and hours played. I agree with that. Then, Karen commented that he got only $52 for 200,000 views on his channel. Well, Karen, at the end of this video, if you are watching, you will know if TikTok is a better platform to post your videos. From other people's responses, I guess you are running a gaming channel. That niche is one of the least paid on YouTube. And to find out how much YouTube paid me for 200,000 views, you can check the video's link in the description after you have watched this one. For this video, I will talk about TikTok, their monetization requirements, other things you need to know about the platform, and how much they pay for 100,000 views. I will compare that with the same views on YouTube. So if you're a content creator planning to use any of these platforms, this video will be a good guide. If you're new here, you are welcome. I do share tips and make tutorials for content creators on this channel. So do subscribe so that you get more of this on your feed. It is free. First of all, you need to know that TikTok and YouTube are two of the world's most popular video sharing apps with massive content and user base. TikTok is owned by a Chinese tech company, and the app is the international version of their popular Chinese app called Douyin. Let's get more facts about TikTok. It is the most downloaded mobile app in 2021 with over 3 billion downloads, followed by Instagram and Facebook. According to TikTok, the most popular hashtag or the most popular niche on their platform is entertainment, dance, and prank. So if you're out there for educational content or tutorials, this platform is not the best platform to go to. There's no doubt that TikTok has taken over with the short form video content strategy. Instagram and YouTube are catching up with Reels and Shorts. But recently, TikTok expanded the length of the video you can upload on their platform from 60 seconds to 10 minutes, which means that you can upload 10 minutes video on that platform. I think this strategy is to test the water against YouTube because YouTube has no close rival when you talk of long-form video content. Unlike YouTube, which has up to 10 tools for content creators to make money on their platform, TikTok has only 5, and I think TikTok is solely targeted to the younger generations because over 50% of its users are less than 30, and this might be because there is no need for a professional setup with expensive equipment or a higher level of editing skills required to get started. Although this is the same with YouTube, but you might need this to excel further at some point. Again, talking about TikTok having more of Gen Zs, this might be changing in the coming years as the older generations are coming to understand that this platform is not only for dancing and pranks. They can also get good visibility and leads for their business through this platform. If you are from YouTube with the AdSense mentality and you plan to create content on TikTok for profit, you might be disappointed because TikTok is entirely a whole new setup in terms of monetization, and it is not as transparent as YouTube. You know, on YouTube, you have access to a lot of useful analytics that explain your performance, what you can improve on to progress, and your earnings as a creator. But TikTok analysis is not in-depth. If you're from TikTok and you can relate to this, please let us know in the comment section. I know we are all here to know how much TikTok pays. Before you can receive payment for posting videos on TikTok, just like YouTube, you must apply for the Creator Fund. This fund of $200 million was introduced sometime in 2020 for creators on the platform and was increased to $1 billion in 2022. We all know that YouTube did similar thing in 2021 by introducing the Shorts Fund, and that will end in 2023 as a new monetization system for short form videos will be introduced. And as of making of this video, the TikTok Creator Fund is only available to those based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. So if you are not based in any of these countries, you are not eligible. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't try your video content on this platform just because you are not based in any of these countries. Regarding your video going viral, TikTok takes the lead over YouTube. Even though if YouTube is the second largest search engine, TikTok's algorithm is highly optimized for short-form video content. But from recent development, YouTube is catching up with TikTok with their new improved algorithm implemented on their YouTube Shorts. With 100,000 views on YouTube, you can earn an average of $300, though this depends on many variables like your niche, geography, and demography of your viewers. In some cases, it can be much less or very high. In fact, on this channel, I get triple that for 100,000 views. So on a moderate terms, you can earn an average of $300 on YouTube when ads are placed on your videos with 100,000 views. On TikTok, it's a whole different world. For example, on YouTube, the CPM looks like this, but on TikTok, it looks like this. So what this means is that with 100,000 views on TikTok, you get a whopping $3. Yes, $3. I know some of you might be thinking or expecting $300 or $3,000. Not at all. So this also means that with 1 million views on TikTok, you only get $30, and you can only be paid if you are based in any of their approved countries. If not, you receive nothing. I know most of you might think you have been missing out for not posting on TikTok all this while. Well, as you can see, you might be wrong. And seriously speaking, TikTok is evolving just like other social media platforms. So it's not a platform that you can easily ignore. But when you compare TikTok earnings with YouTube earnings, aside from shorts, you see that YouTube is about 10,000 times higher than TikTok earnings. And you can tell because TikTok is a short form video content platform compared to YouTube, which is a long form video content platform. And it's not a bad idea to post content on TikTok because there's one thing everybody needs, not minding the generation or business orientation. Everybody needs visibility, and TikTok can give that quickly. When your skills, product, or service is exposed to a broader audience, your earning potential is limitless. Like, brands will come for your partnership and your endorsement. Also, clients are not left out. So if you are looking for a platform that can give you the visibility you need to get young and paying clients, TikTok will do. But for actionable and engaging clients and customers, give it to YouTube, because YouTube is where you meet clients and brands that are searching. So TikTok has more of passive users, while YouTube has more of searching or active users. TikTok and YouTube have similarities in how you upload content on their platforms. You don't need to be a tech savvy to upload videos on this platform. All you need is a smartphone. If the only means of making money on TikTok is by earning $3 for 100,000 views, is it worth the time and investment? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have learned something new in this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. See you soon.